In this video, we will review the Forcecore shop and see if it's actually legit or a scam. So first, we can see right here the Forcecore shop. We can find it by going to forcecore.shop, and its reviews are highly varied and appear to relate to different types of businesses. So it has some potential scam concerns because people on Reddit actually says or identified red flags to the shop. They use generic or ripped content as well as suspicious contact information. They also have too good to be true prices with extremely low price, and they also have poor order fulfillment. Customers report receive incorrect, cheap or useless items like $2 spent instead of $37 product they actually advertise. So they also change the main names every now and then. So this is actually a very scam website, and I actually recommend you to not use or not order from the shop. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.